Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can personalize your taskbar on Windows 11. So if you still use a Windows 10, you can like move your taskbar to the left, to the top, to the right, and by the default to the left corner. But in the Windows 11, you only there are only two options for you: the center or the right corner. So in order to move into the left corner, you can try to search on the taskbar. You can right click taskbar settings. Here you can try to search taskbar behaviors, taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple display. You can click it. Here we go. Taskbar alignment. You can try to use the default one, the center, or you can move to the left. As you can see, it moved to the left, or the center one. And also you can try to automatically hide taskbar. You can untick show badges or show flashing and so on. This is how you can personalize your taskbar. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And the text button below. See you in the next video.